Hi there, Robin here, and in this video we are talking about exactly what I started the video with, which is the Director Clapboard. I love using this thing. This is specifically, in my case as a creator, the Clapboard is a piece that I use to sync up all my audio. Now, of course, we do write down the basic information on here. So in this case, you know, what roll or hard drive is going to go on, the title, and what take we're on. So this happens to be take 3. Down here, of course, directed by me. I wish that said creator on it, but that's, you know, I'll take director. And the camera, we have at least 4 cameras here that we can use, and sometimes we have multiple cameras going at the same time, but in this case I have the one, so I do note down which camera I use. So if I like it or don't like it, maybe it's going to be 6 months from now when I go back and look at this, I'll be able to see that. It even tells me which model camera, so in this case it's a GoPro G8. And the frame rate, in this case 30, and of course I could have added anything else I wanted on there, but the important thing is this is really good. So again, up, down, even got magnets in it to hold it together, and this makes my life a lot easier. Now, why do I do this? If you haven't used one before and you are recording your audio on a separate audio track, and of course if you have multiple cameras, everything's going to capture audio to a degree. And the important thing is to be able to sync all of that in your video editing software. When you do this, instead of getting just a regular waveform, you're going to get a nice spike on your audio track. All your audio on all your cameras. If they're in earshot, bam, you're going to get a straight line up and down. This allows you to go zoom in, get to those frames, slide that all together, have it perfect. It also lets you know with the color on top if your cameras are getting a good color balance. Maybe one of your cameras is offset, and you'll see that because the bar on top won't match on all your cameras color wise. So that's very important too, and that's why it's here, and that's again why I like using this particular one. Those are my preferences. So again, that pretty much wraps it up. It came in a really nice package, the one I got. It also came with an eraser and and very important, you want to use erasable actually markers on them. But that's what you get when you buy this guy here. I like putting it back in the box. I don't want to get mine all scratched up, so that's why I still have it. It even comes with pads for the top and the bottom. Amazingly enough, it doesn't get in the box too often. We're constantly doing videos. This makes it a lot easier. So anyways, the Director Clapboard, I like to call it the Creator's Clapboard. I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.